बहुत गंदा चीज़ है? Please don't drink Red Bull. You can sponsor, but don't drink Red Bull. Okay. Okay guys, I'm live in my YouTube channel. High energy दिखाना. Wait, अभी बहुत बहुत मौका मिलेगा. ठीक है. I'll give you, everybody I'll give you more chances. And you can join from your mobile also. हाँ? आज फेमस होना है ना? Yeah. Now I'll just ask a question like, what is the experience from learning to coming over here and participating in hackathon? पहले तो तुम लोग YouTube वीडियो से देखते थे. अब एक अलग फीलिंग होगा इधर आके. अब कल को और पढ़ाओगे तुम लोग, हाँ? Yeah, definitely. So see this, guys. I'll go from here, okay? See? 3 साल का मेहनत through my YouTube channel. Yeah, कोई ना कोई देखा होगा. Anybody who's not seen this? Okay, once proper shout out to देंगे वहाँ तक, ठीक है? In the name of data science. Yes. Proper data. किसको नहीं? किसको नहीं? I'm just saying that okay, towards data science. Data science also has been very kind to us, no? Since it is open source. Yes. We can do so many things with the help of that. So many people have got transition with higher packages. We can always be thankful to this, okay? So we'll give a big shout out to data science, okay? Everyone, we'll give a big shout out to AIML because it is completely open source, right? Yeah, some of the things may not be open source, but that is fine, right? We can do many things with the open source things, right? So on the count of 3, right? Everybody should say data science. Okay? Everyone. भाई प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट और कॉम्प्लेक्स बनाता हूँ. Okay, ready? 1, 2, go! My God, I'll not tell them to repeat now. This was amazing. Okay, guys. So I'll go row by row. Then you tell me how is the experience till now. So we have still many hours to go, and everybody has now opened the Red Bull. I don't know, they're feeling sleepy right now. So tell Red Bull sponsor us for the next event, no? This is a nice way. You tell Red Bull to sponsor. I'll definitely put this as a shot. Okay, ready? 1.
Lal Sand. For the next year. Let's sponsor anyone. A big handsome person. Where is the handsome? Red Bull something.
Hey, chila yaar. Red Bull chahiye na. People are become Red Bull. They are becoming dogs, huh? Very bad. Okay, so what about your experience, sir? How are things going on? Learning on the go. Why? The problem statement is similar to my YouTube video only. Okay. Perfect. What about you, sir? Good? All good? Anything that you want to tell the audience, what they are missing?
They are missing the environment, offline environment.
Sorry, what?
Offline environment.
Offline.
Together and coding.
Yeah. Okay, meeting us. That is fine. We can. But yes, this is also very nice to talk with you all. But any message that you want to tell the audience who did not come this time, you know? They should attend it. So what they will be able to learn through this?
The experience is just can't be expressed.
Okay.
If they're coming here, they will.
Okay.
Are different.
Okay.
We are going exposed to good practices. Now the industry style.
Perfect. Thank you guys. Best of luck. Keep on participating. Keep drinking Red Bull, huh? Hey guys, what's going on? Be louder. Come on. Drinking Red Bull. How much work you have done? Huh? Second step. Oh, second in the second problem statement or sequel? ML completed. Completed that first problem? Completed? Second now. Amazing. What about you, sir? Second?
I'm working on second problem.
Second. Red Bull is there. You're not drinking Red Bull? Okay. Perfect. Okay. What about you all, sir?
Waiting for the sequel.
Huh?
Waiting for the sequel.
Okay. Almost done? And the second problem statement is all about team combination and team, basically how team can actually work and collaborate. So how many of you all know AIML? Everyone? Anybody who knows front-end technologies? No? Okay, fine. Basic HTML, CSS, end-to-end deployment you are planning to. Okay, perfect. Best of luck. Guys, how is things going on? You are live on YouTube. Don't scold, don't scold. Okay, so don't scold. No, no, no. Super, super. Everyone? 9? Perfect, perfect. Continue. So this is amazing. Guys, yes. One word you can define data science as.
Amazing. Next
Amazing.
revolution.
Next level? Revolution. Okay, next.
Hello.
Krishna is amazing. Thank you. Tough.
Scan the QR code again. There you will find the section of IP address and password.
So some announcements are going on. Let's go to the other team. I hope everybody is doing well. Everybody is doing fine. And we'll try to catch up some people over here. Okay, from where are you?
Bangalore.
Bangalore? You, sir? Bangalore. So how is the event going on? You're able to learn things, do things, right? What about the hospitality of Aineron?
Very good.
Very good? Yes? So what is the problem statement that you have got?
One is for classification whether the income is greater than 50,000 or not.
What about the second problem statement? That is the complex one, I guess. First one is very simple, just to test your knowledge.
The policy is whether the customer is interested to buy the one insurance policy or not.
Okay, okay, perfect. So everybody is drinking Red Bull, feeling sleepy now only? No. No? Or just for fun? What about you all, sir? Anybody outside Bangalore from here? Okay, from where, sir?
I'm from Goa.
Goa? Oh, he's chilling over here with Red Bull. Hey, we have a person from Goa, and he's doing coding from here. Just imagine, our dream is to code from Goa. Okay, sir, how's the experience till now?
It's really good. It's my first hackathon. I'm really impressed with it.
Okay, sir. So definitely you can sponsor our trip next time, or not sponsor our stay at least in Goa next time.
For sure.
Definitely. Okay, perfect. Enjoy, sir. Enjoy. Hey, चिल्लाना allowed नहीं है. Okay, what about you all, sir? What about you all? So how is things going on? Huh? Super awesome. Okay. I hope everybody knows me out here. Yes? Yes? So you are in my live in my YouTube channel.
Switch your Wi-Fi connection.
भाई अरे
Try to scan your QR code.
अरे भाई मेरा नहीं है लाइव हूँ मैं.
We have uploaded a new problem statement, SQL-based problem statement in the same QR code.
Okay. So yeah. Tell me. You got the problem statement? Yeah. Okay. Perfect. Enjoy.
Switch to iPhone Wi-Fi.
So this is the problem statement.
This is the old one, sir.
Old one. Yeah. What? Okay. First, that is the sequel one, right? Which one you got?
Yeah, the Wi-Fi password ID, everything you will be able to see in a QR code.
Okay.
This one is the new one.
So this is the problem statement. Okay, you have to basically join. Okay, join. Not a problem. Okay. यस सर, बताइए क्या चल रहा है. भाई हैं गुजरात के, है ना? हाँ सर, और बताइए कैसा लग रहा है फीलिंग?
प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट बन
हो गया है?
गिटहब पे अपलोड कर रहा है. देखते हैं क्या होता है.
अच्छा, और आप सर?
वो भी गुजरात से.
गुजरात से ही है. और कैसा लग रहा है? सेम प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट सॉल्व कर रहे हैं. सेकंड वाला रहेगा टीम के जैसा सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा.
बहुत बढ़िया लग रहा है. बढ़िया.
चलिए, परफेक्ट सर, थैंक यू. बेस्ट ऑफ लक. फिर से आ गए ये लोग.
सर जी,
आप कहाँ हैं? आपका रेड बुल कहाँ है?
रेड बुल अभी खत्म होगा सर. अभी
दूसरा वाला कहाँ है? तो
दूसरा लेते हैं सर.
हाँ बताओ दिव्यांशु.
ज़्यादा बचा है.
और सर बताइए कैसा रहा है?
सर आपने तो आज माहौल बना दिया. बोला सर,
कौन सा मॉल?
जो झुंडल आपके लिए था ना आया अरे क्रिस सर. मैं बोला अरे कौन सेलिब्रिटी. मैं बोला अरे किंग ऑफ AIML तो है वहाँ पे.
नहीं ऐसे नहीं. अपने प्यारे बच्चे हैं सब.
अरे सर
We are learning for like together from past 2 years. Finally, I get to see them, you know. So this is the entire people, guys. You can see over here. This is completely filled. So ये सबसे हाईएस्ट स्ट्रेंथ होगा लग रहा है मेरे को.
हाँ सर.
हाँ 200 प्लस राइट. अभी तक का हैकाथॉन का सबसे हाईएस्ट. बट अगेन हैकाथॉन का क्या स्पेशल चीज़ है सर, आप बता दीजिए.
तो स्पेशल चीज़ तो ये है कि AIML डोमेन है जिसमें अपने को थोड़ा बहुत पता है तो अपन रिलेट कर पा रहे हैं. इससे पहले जो हो रहा था उसके बारे में पता था, बट ये थोड़ा सा अपना डोमेन आ जाता है.
और सर हायरिंग भी हो रहा है. बढ़िया.
हायरिंग भी हो रहा है. जॉबेथॉन है, मतलब ये जॉबेथॉन ये आई थिंक पहली बार है आप भी टर्म सुन रहे होंगे तो.
जॉब होता है.
जॉबेथॉन ये भी कंडक्ट किया जा रहा है.
हाँ.
मतलब जॉब भी मिलेगी, आईफोन मैक्स प्रो मैक्स भी मिलने वाला है, प्राइजेस भी मिलने वाले 2 लाख 1,50,000. मतलब ये क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे.
Okay.
सब कुछ विन विन सिचुएशन.
ओके. बढ़िया. सब पहली बार दिख रहे होंगे. अभी तो बहुत आने वाले हैं सर. नेक्स्ट वीक भी आने वाला है जॉबेथॉन. So guys, whoever are full stack web development can also come to the next week because there we have some amazing hackathon with geeky ants and there will also be hiring. चलिए सर, आप भी जाएंगे लग रहा है मेरे को थोड़ी देर में लाइव. चलो बाय. प्लीज टेक क्लास टाइम ऑन द hackathon on live. Okay, sir, got problem statement everyone? Yes. This area people are very quiet, you know. They've come here to win hackathon only, I guess. Yes, ma'am. How was the experience till now? Yeah, live on YouTube. It's fine, no? Fine. What about you, sir? Going on good. Why are you so silent? कोई डरा है क्या? Problem statement is not that difficult, no? It's easy, no? Okay. Then you should be happy, no? Yeah. What about you, sir? Huh? All good? Yes. वहाँ के लोग तो देख भी नहीं रहे हैं ना हमको मत लाओ. All good? Yes. Very studious table, you know. They're not even.
We have said not to cheat.
Well, at least they can talk, no? Not.
We have completed our song, so they are pausing for a bit.
Okay. Yes, sir. आप बताइए. आपको तो हमेशा पकड़ना पड़ेगा. हैं? बताइए. कैसा लग रहा है सर? इस बार तो लग रहा है हाई स्ट्रेंथ है जॉबेथॉन के लिए.
Highest strength, yeah, that is true. Highest strength and most serious crowd that we have ever got. Otherwise तो यहाँ पे कोई लैपटॉप उड़ा रहा है. पिछली बार तो रेड बुल फैला दी थी ऐसे.
सर लास्ट टाइम तो हेडफोन भी लेकर चले गए. इतना सीरियस है.
लेके मत जाना. वो तो स्क्रीन आया नहीं तो बैग में डाल के वो भी
ऐसे ही लग रहा है सर. सिर्फ किसी का नहीं लेकर जाएंगे वो है पॉल. पॉल कंडीशन डाल दिया. यस सर, टेल अस हाउ वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस टिल नाउ.
Pretty.
And this guy is doing his engineering and data science only, right?
No, in machine learning.
Machine learning. So okay, data science ही है ना.
Like artificial intelligence and machine learning.
Okay, AI and ML.
Yeah, definitely.
That my video title is also AI and ML live hackathon.
Okay.
Okay, so tell me the difference between data science, AI and ML.
Again, in as per my understanding.
As per my understanding, this is like a, you know, मैं इधर का भी नहीं डिप्लोमेटिक रहूँगा मैं. ठीक है.
Yeah, so
Yes, sir.
data science is where we are visualizing our data, we are analyzing the data, we are going through our data, what can we do with it, and machine learning is again working on that data, how we can properly use it and effectively get whatever we can out of the data, like properly training it or making it intelligent basically.
Some people are हो गया खत्म. This is Viva situation.
It is a Viva situation. I haven't completed my degree. I haven't started machine learning in college yet.
It didn't start.
No, we didn't start yet. We're still second year.
So I did not ask you any algorithms, sir. Try to explain maths
Yeah,
of
they didn't
any.
even start algorithm yet.
Huh?
They didn't even start algorithms yet.
That only, sir. I'm not saying you to prove any algorithm over here right now. Okay? Okay, fine. They are saying, the audience is saying these are backbenchers. Okay, he is basically from BMS. BMS is an amazing college in Bangalore, and he's in second year, right?
Second year.
Okay, still 2 more years. So when is machine learning going to come there?
They claim in fifth semester. Fifth semester. Right now we're running all the math and stuff, probability and statistics.
But you have come to participate in hackathon now. So machine learning you're going to do over here.
Yes.
And you're saying that it does not come in the
No,
syllabus.
like whatever we have done independently, we're trying to implement whatever we can.
Okay. SK learn Bhagwan hai.
Huh?
Huh? Okay. So other than that, till then I was just asking some questions. But how's your overall experience in this hackathon? Good.
Guys,
First time
everyone
we come to
download
corporate hackathon,
Sorry?
Azure Data
First time in
Studio.
corporate
So I believe link is already there.
We have more in the upcoming days. For AI machine learning, we'll have these things. Okay.
So that you will
Right.
be able to log in our system and then from there you will be able to solve the SQL challenges.
Okay. I'm just kidding. Okay, with the question. Yes, sir. जब से क्वेश्चन पूछा हम नीचे ही देख रहे हैं. ब्राउजर तो नहीं खोल लिए? मैंने खोल लिया ब्राउजर.
Azure Studio है.
Azure Studio. अच्छा सर बताइए क्या कैसा आ रहा है, कैसा चल रहा है सब कुछ?
My experience is pretty well. Currently, I'm working as a data scientist, but through this hackathon,
So those who are able to download it, please try to help your neighbors immediately.
हाँ सर.
so my experience is really great in this hackathon.
Okay, perfect. What about you, ma'am?
It has been really great for me as well. I am just excited to be a part of
Abhijit.
this hackathon and
This side हो गया mostly.
participate in
This side
another.
close हो गया data studio.
Really
Perfect.
excited for problem statement to this one.
Great. So first problem statement is done, right?
Yes.
Perfect. Thumbs up, everyone. Thumbs up. Yes. Perfect.
Done? Okay. Done? Yep. Okay. This side?
Music बंद कर.
Okay. So this row done with the data studio.
Music बंद. Music.
Done with the data studio.
Yes, sir.
Okay, downloading. Fine.
How is
This side?
everything
This
going
one?
on till now?
Downloading. Okay.
Very good.
Try to help
Till
others.
now, what all you finished?
Okay. This side?
Okay.
Downloading.
That SQL one or this one?
Downloading. Done with the data studio.
Okay. Amazing.
Okay.
So why
This
so
side?
serious
Done
over
with data
here?
studio.
Why so serious?
Because one of the problem statement is still remaining.
Those who are facing any kind of a challenges with data studio, please take help from us or from your neighbor.
Sir, Sudhanshu, 5 minutes. कुछ पूछ रहा हूँ, आवाज आ रहा है बार.
Continue.
Yes, sir. What do you say?
So basically, I'm facing lot of time issues to solve these two problems today. One is done, one is still pending, and now SQL. So pretty nervous as to how I'm going to complete.
So you're not drinking Red Bull?
Okay, everyone, so listen up and try to see this projector. Those who are
Okay.
not able
Focus on the
to
projector
connect, so we are showing you how to connect with the data studio.
So everyone, I hope everybody is doing fine. So I'm going to take from here. Right? Everybody is live in my YouTube channel. It's okay. You can show your face. Why is he laughing so much? Yes, sir.
You can come this side.
Why are you laughing so much?
Right, so that you can see the process, how to connect. Although it's very easy one. And again, so you
Okay.
can
So till now,
upload your table and then-
everybody has opened Azure
You can
Data
see
Studio
the
because I
process.
think they're giving the data right now, right? Okay. Perfect. Ready, sir? Good work, everyone.
Okay, so once you open your Azure Data Studio,
Now the second problem statement is going on with respect to SQL. So here you can basically see the problem statement.
so in server you have to write your IP address.
So guys, I hope everybody is liking this.
192.168.3.3.
Yes sir, Mukesh sir, बताइए क्या चल रहा है?
देख रहा था अभी.
क्या चल रहा है सब कुछ?
देख रहा हूँ यहाँ की वाइब एनर्जी.
Very nicely भाई, पूरा perfect है?
Perfect. Everybody so excited.
Okay, so server IP
Please
address.
join us,
First we write
guys.
server
Don't
IP
watch
address.
live.
From
Please
server
come
IP
here.
type, you have to choose
Experience the live.
SQL login.
Amazing. ठीक है, thank you Mukesh ji, thank you.
From the drop down.
So the new problem statement is going on. So based on that, the discussion is going on completely.
Username and password and click on connect button to connect with your database.
So here you can see the entire thing. Till then, let's have some conversation. Till all the announcements are done.
So guys, IP address, user ID.
So if you have any questions, please do let me know, and you can ask us anything, right? Okay, perfect. So you can ask me any questions if you want. I think everybody should actually try to come on the hackathon. You know, you'll have an amazing experience. Online, it will not be possible because online is obviously very difficult, you know, to track everything. But this will definitely give you an amazing feeling. Okay, yeah, Telesco is also there, Naveen sir is there, Hitesh sir is there, Sudhanshu, Mukesh, Mai sir ji, everyone is actually there in this hackathon. It's quite amazing seeing people participating over here. You know, they're getting that kind of experience that is actually required. I don't think so anybody should miss this opportunity, in short, right? So definitely don't miss it from the next hackathon whenever we are trying to announce. Eligibility, no such kind of eligibility over here. Okay, you can probably come, and this is a kind of a jobathon hackathon. So people have also come for hiring. We have Mu Sigma collaboration with the company Mu Sigma, and many people are going to get hired. 100 from Mu Sigma, 20 from iNeuron. They're going to get hired. So total 120 will be getting hired till tomorrow mostly. And this is my cabin altogether. You can see this. I hope everybody knows what this is. I'm just going to show you. So everybody knows what this is. Oops. So this is the GitHub Star Award that we have specifically got. I've got it. So this is the GitHub Star Award, and this is the TEDx. I've been to the TEDx also over there, and here you just tell me what this is. Okay, what this is. I hope everybody knows this from the GitHub 3D things. Yeah, to participate in the hackathon, JavaScript hackathon is going to happen next week, and soon we are going to also make an announcement of that. So overall, you can see this is my entire cabin where I actually sit and do the work. Most of the recording happens over there. You can see this big lights, and here you can see some of the photos that are put up over here. And this is the entire thing. It's a good office. There's television over there sometime just to check out something and all, right? And let me just show you in this way so that you will be able to see it properly. So this is the entire thing, cabin. It is messed up a little bit because I mostly do the recordings and teach. Okay, and here you can see this. This looks like a complete jungle, right? So this side, the one library kind of wallpaper. So yes, this is my entire office. This one I actually got it from one of the college called as KIT. These are some of the gifts. This is my Canon camera, so this entire video gets recorded through this. Right now I'm in my mobile phone. Okay, and this 2 monitors. In this monitor I basically write anything like this. So this is the writing pad that I specifically use, right? So here we have this, and here this desktop actually has a GPU of 3090. Okay, so amazing GPU altogether. What is the problem statement? There are some of the machine learning problem statements that we have already given, some kind of prediction, but always we make sure that we try to give it in as an end-to-end project. Okay, so complete end-to-end projects is actually there. Let me just show you how many people are actually participating, right? So this is the entire outside office where many people are participating. You can see this. Everyone is here participating well. हाँ सर, मज़ा आ रहा है? हाँ?
बहुत मजा आ रहा है।
Question problem statement कैसा है?
अच्छा है।
So this is the problem statement, guys. This is a SQL problem statement. You're live on YouTube. So the entire problem statement is here, and they are actually doing it. So अभी तक कैसा रहा? कल तक टिक पाएंगे 24 आवर्स? हाँ, जीत के ही जाना है। हाँ, ओके सर, आपका नाम बताइए।
कार्तिक रमन।
अच्छा, आप कहाँ के?
मैं बिहार से हूँ।
बिहार से हैं। अभी काम कहाँ कर रहे हैं?
चेन्नई में।
चेन्नई में। आप चेन्नई से आए हैं इधर से पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए हैकाथॉन? अमेजिंग अमेजिंग। तो अभी तक का एक्सपीरियंस ऑल टुगेदर बहुत बढ़िया है सब कुछ। ठीक है सर, चलिए बेस्ट ऑफ लक। ठीक है, सो थिंग्स आर गोइंग ऑन completely. सोनाली, आप YouTube में लाइव हो, बताओ कैसे चल रहा है सब कुछ?
Hi sir, everything is going very fine now. People are more focusing on the social media posting, and everyone is looking for different posts. And now we
What about the second problem statement? I think they have got right.
They are working for the SQL, coming up the SQL questions. So in part 1, there is second problem statement which contains the SQL questions. So everyone is just connecting the databases and patching everything.
Okay, amazing. So, bye.
You will be able to see your data in your tables.
Got your second SQL मिला? You're using Azure Data Studio or not? टेबल नेम क्या है?
एडवेंचर बॉक्स जो है वो डेटाबेस नेम है, टेबल उसके अंदर लोड हो रहा है अभी।
लोड हो रहा है अभी टेबल। हाँ सर, आप लोग नहीं आए ना मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल, चलो वी साइन दिखा दो पहला। वी साइन, वी साइन, वी साइन, वी साइन। हाँ सर, सो व्हाट इज योर बैकग्राउंड?
I am a college student.
College student, learning machine learning.
Kind of.
Guys, first
How many?
with adventure box and then we are looking at data in table. You will be able to see your data in the table.
This guy is disturbing me a lot today.
I always do.
Okay.
Yes, sir. So I mainly do Android.
Okay, Android.
Recently ventured into
Machine learning. Yeah? Who's the person who is learning machine learning from many years? 1 year. Completed. Okay. What is the difference between trained data set, test data set, and validation data set?
Train data is used for training the model.
Louder, come on.
Train data is used for training the model while execution is going on. Test data is it is divided. The data set is divided into 3 categories. One is test for testing the accuracy, one training for supervising the model, and validating so that we can check the results.
Sorry, validation for?
Check the results.
Aye. Then what is test used for then?
Don't confuse me. It's okay, I know what.
Oh, okay, tell me. What is the difference between that?
Difference between
Okay, you said training data is for training the model. Test data is for predicting the model. Now what about validation data? I'm coming to the next person. Whoever will answer this will get 500 rupees from me if I get the proper answer. Oh, yes, sir. What is the difference between trained data, test data, and validation data?
Validation is used when we are training the model.
Okay.
That means basically when we train the model, so there has to be some data which is basically separate from the training but not in the test. So these two state, that is training and validation, is used in the training only, and the test is kind of a complete new data which is unseen from the complete model, and based on that we actually see how the model is performing, not on the validation exactly.
Okay, so you are saying validation data is a part of training data, right? So why specifically use validation data?
We will not use the validation data.
We'll use it somewhere. Sorry. Yeah, we'll use it somewhere. Yeah, where do we use the validation data?
In a sense that we are training the model, right? To validate the model, how the model is performing while training.
How do you validate a model?
Validation data.
Okay, just imagine that you first of all did a split of train and test. With the help of training data, you train your model. Okay, and you're saying validation is a part of train data.
While we distribute a train and test, in train only we distribute.
we specify.
How do you distribute?
We specify the ratio.
We can choose random methods or we can.
What random methods? Tell me the process.
We specify the ratio.
What ratio?
No, see,
Tell me the process. You're missing that process. We say something.
it can be random if it is classification or regression, and if it is forecast data. Right?
No, I'm not getting that word.
That word. That is 500 questions.
That word. You do grid search CV, right? Inside grid search CV, how do you do train and cross? Cross validation, you should say. Okay? Good job. 250 rupees, I'll give you. Okay, now let's go to the next interview question. Who is ready to give now? Ready? Should I ask any question? What is the difference between fit and fit underscore transform? आउट ऑफ सिलेबस नहीं है. बच्चा बोलेगा आउट ऑफ सिलेबस.
fit is used to train the model, and fit underscore transform is used to transform the data to a particular, just like a standard string or something.
Okay, just tell me like this, what is the difference between fit underscore transform and transform? Fit underscore transform and transform. I'll come to that table with some other question, not the same question.
Say hi to my audience.
Hello to your audience. What is the difference between, if they know machine learning? Yes, fit underscore transform and transform. What is the difference?
Okay, fine guys. Data is available as you can see on the screen.
Okay, coming back. Okay, we'll come over here.
Now you can start. And
Yes,
those
ma'am.
who are facing any kind of issue, raise your hand. I will be there.
I'm facing.
Like before,
कुछ करवा रहे रुकिए ना. Yes, tell me.
is before fitting the data, if you are applying transformation, then it will transform. After fitting the model, if you are applying the transform method, then it will transform.
When do we apply this? To what data we apply fit underscore transform, and to what data we apply to?
Training the data, we have to apply to transformation.
Okay, you have to specifically say for training data, for test data, what do we apply for train?
Data.
For training data, what do you apply?
We have to method.
Fit.
No, I think for the testing data, we have to apply the fit method.
For train data, we have to apply fit underscore transform. For test data, we have to apply transform. Okay? Okay. Good work. Coming to the next quiz. Ready for the quiz? Yes? What is the best example? I hope everybody is familiar with statistics.
Anyone facing
No?
issue with this side?
Statistics, familiar? Right? What is the best example for Bernoulli distribution? Bolo?
Okay, so
Example of Bernoulli distribution. there हम बोलते हैं ना, what is the example of normal distribution? आप बोल सकते हो ना, age, weight. What about Bernoulli distribution? It's up to you. I'll not answer this. I'm asking you the question.
If you
which
has zero, yes or no. So that
What is binomial distribution? What about you, sir? Huh?
I'm a front-end engineer.
Okay. This is a nice way to go away. What about you, sir? The example of Bernoulli distribution.
Question was there.
Okay, this table,
Huh?
are you able to connect?
It's okay, sir. Please watch my YouTube videos.
This table. So you're able to see the database, right?
Okay. Let's go and ask some more quiz. This is fun. I asked quiz over here, no? No, right? Okay. Whoever will answer this quiz, I'll give them 500 rupees. Okay? Clear? Yes? Tell me an example. Everybody is familiar with stats? Yeah, everybody. Yeah, that's okay. Anybody can answer. Okay? What is the example of Bernoulli distribution? Any use case. Like if I say normal distribution, you may say classes, weights of a classroom. Okay? Tossing a coin. Only tossing a coin. So what about binomial distribution then? Huh? Die. But what about Bernoulli distribution? Binomial distribution.
Throwing a coin multiple times.
Throwing a coin? Amazing. Good answer. So you can take 500 rupees from me before going, okay?
Tomorrow we are going to ask the same question in interview.
Yeah. I'm preparing them right now.
Exactly.
Okay, I'm preparing them. Good job. Okay, let's go with the another people. सर यहाँ क्विज नहीं पूछा ना मैंने? चलिए क्विज पूछता हूँ मैं, आंसर करिए. ठीक है? I'll keep a question for you. Whoever answers that will take 500 rupees from me. Okay? But if you don't answer then everybody will give 500 rupees. Huh? Okay, so the question is, I can ask you any question, right? Stats, EDA, this, that and all, okay? Tell me what is the difference between train data. Okay, forget about train data and all. I've asked just now. Okay, just tell me what will be the mean median mode in the case of left skewed distribution. Whether the mean will be higher or mode will be higher or median will be higher. In left skewed. I'll come with another question there. Are you sure? Mode? Left skewed. Left skewed. Understand? Left skewed. Just try to draw the diagram if you want. Yes, ma'am. I'll come. After that, you can answer that question.
अभी जी यहाँ पर भी इशू आ रहा है इनको इसके ऊपर
Huh? Mean? Mean will be there? Just draw and see, no? Left skewed. In the case of left skewed, what will happen? And in the case of right skewed, what will happen? भाई डेटा के साथ खेलो यार, तब पता चलेगा ना. You can just ask me, no? You have to be sure. Are you sure? Mean will be high. But what about median and mode? You have to tell the relation, no?
start participating in the sequel challenge.
Mean should be greater than mode should be greater than median. ऐसा कुछ तो relationship बनाओगे ना?
And then we are going to give you, after completion of the challenges, we are going to give you next one.
Think over it, okay? I will come. Think over it. Yes, ma'am. No, I'll answer. I'll ask a different question to you, no? Yeah, I know people by seeing their face, what they can answer, what they cannot answer, okay? First do it. Come up with one answer, then tell me with proof, okay? Okay. Coming to the next question. Everyone ready? For a quiz, everybody knows data science, right, over here? Okay? Yes? Sure? Yes? Okay. What techniques do you use to remove outliers? Huh? Huh? Okay. Z-score? Z-score, how it can be used? Z-score basically based on standard deviation, you say? Based on Why 3 only? What about other distribution? Okay, tell me in box plot, if my median line, 50 percentile, is towards the right hand side, then what kind of skewed data it is? यार तो आप लोग जवाब नहीं दे रहे हैं. It is left skewed. Good, ma'am. Amazing. Okay, I'll be taking more quizzes like this. In between, I'll be coming up with more questions. Okay. Nose. Cut my nose. Huh?
You wanted to answer, she answered.
Okay. Only for you all, I'll ask separately.
You can ask one more.
Huh?
Maybe we can give it right here.
Okay. What is the difference between training data, test data, and validation data?
Training data, there is target and independent and dependent variables. And we
In test data also there is.
Yes, there is, but in test data, sometimes there is not all the time.
Okay. Output data is not there in test data. Then
Test data is
what about validation then?
validation is mainly to check if the model is performing well.
Not performing well? Or with the training data we cannot find out.
Training data we can train the model with training data. Test
Taking the whole data into 3 parts.
This is nice. Cross validation. See, with the train data, what we do is split that into train and validation, so that we can do hyperparameter tuning. Okay, this should be the answer. Tomorrow in the interview they may ask you. Then you have to clearly tell them that with the help of training data, what we do, we split it, and in order to do the hyperparameter tuning, we do validation. So what is the technique we use in grid search CV? Cross validation will be there. No, CV is equal to 5, we'll write 10 is equal to, we'll write 10. So that will in turn divide train data into training set and validation set. Okay? I'll come up with more questions. Okay? Yes, sir. Ready for the quiz? Not interested. Interested? What about that, guys? Quiz? One quiz should I take? Any question, any interview question? You'll be able to answer? No? You don't want to answer?
So guys, anyone who is facing issue with anything, please raise your hand.
Sorry? Okay, not a problem. Fine, I'll come then. I'll come again and ask you some different questions.
Yes.
Guys, I'll ask you one quiz now. Okay? Everybody is working on SQL, right? What is the difference between primary key and candidate key?
Candidate key is all the unique keys that we have in a table. So there can be many candidates.
So please raise your hand, guys, so that we can reach out to your table.
Again. Yeah, tell me again. second. Yeah, tell me again. No, last part. You just tell me last part.
So primary keys have null values as well as unique
Primary key.
as well as unique.
Primary key has null values.
Sorry, it doesn't have null values, has all unique values. But candidate keys can have null values, but they're all unique.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. Yeah. Okay, next question. What is the difference between stored? What is the difference between stored procedure and views? Anyone? Which is faster? Stored procedures or why? Filter on? Okay, what about you, sir?
Stored procedures are faster.
Stored procedure. Why?
Because repetition of work.
Repetition of work. Okay. Okay, competition. Okay, what is the difference between stored procedure and functions? It can be an interview question tomorrow. You're working on SQL. I can see SQL. See? It's SQL. Okay. Tell me. Come on. Why are you shy? Okay. Stored procedure and functions. Primary candidate, anybody will say.
Passing the parameter and will return the value. So store procedure is nothing but will execute the commands sequentially, like writing a program. It's nothing but writing a SQL program.
Perfect.
This can return one value.
One or multiple values functions can return.
This can return only one.
Only one. Understood? Tomorrow, if that interview question is coming, you are able to answer, right? Okay. Huh?
Are you leading the interview questions?
I am not taking any interviews, first of all. I am just taking the general, all the questions that are going to come. Serious. How many of you are attending interviews tomorrow? You are attending?
Yeah, if I get selected, if things
And then I will ask some questions, no then?
yeah.
Huh? Pakka? Huh? Sure.
Yeah.
Okay, what is Windows function, sir?
Windows function. This is something new I heard of in SQL. I will.
You will Google and find out, I know. No need to worry. ये तो देख भी नहीं रहा है सर. I'm working. Huh? I'm working, huh? Okay, fine. I'll leave this group. I think you all are serious candidates.
Okay, this side guys, table databases, everything is fine.
Okay. How many of you are participating in the interviews tomorrow?
Fine, table databases.
Hello. Okay. Shall I ask some question?
Yes, sir.
Yeah?
Yeah, sure.
Pakka?
सर पूछ लीजिए बता नहीं पाएंगे.
Okay, this table. Anyone is facing issue with database table? No? Fine. This side? No? Okay.
Okay. Should I ask the question now? Yes? Pakka? Which topic would you like? Stats, machine learning, deep learning, reinforcement learning? Stats or machine learning? What about you?
Basic Python.
Basic Python you want? Python कैसे पूछूं मैं? I have to give a problem statement, then only you'll be. I can ask Python also. Okay, I can ask Python. In Python, can you create? Again, listen. Okay, in Python, can you create multiple constructors? Yes or no?
I can create one, but I say all multiple.
So silently you are saying no.
Yes, we can construct.
You can construct. Are you sure?
Yes. Yes.
Again, listen to my question. In Python, can you construct multiple constructors? Try it out.
In one class.
Yeah, in one class only, no? Try to write the code. I'll come and see. With multiple constructor. Just imagine One class, one constructor which takes 3 parameters and another constructor which takes 4 parameters.
It should only one constructor.
Now why did you change it? But again, I'm again suggesting you try it out. Okay? Does Python support multiple inheritance?
You all have 1 hour for this
Multiple and
session.
multi-level both.
Both.
So
Yes?
at 7:20 we will stop.
What is the difference between function overloading and function overriding?
So you have exact 1 hour for
So in
this.
function overloading, we overload parameter values inside the function, whereas in function overwriting, we change the function, the thing which it does, the application that it does.
In function overriding or function overloading? In function overloading, you change the parameters.
Yes, in function overloading, we overloaded with no parameters.
Runtime compile time implementation.
Runtime compile time implementation. Okay. सर एक बार ट्राई करना कौन सा मल्टीपल कंस्ट्रक्टर वाला ठीक है एक में 3 पैरामीटर एक में 4 पैरामीटर डाल के देखिए Welcome later you do it. Yeah, tell me.
Show keyword why it is not working with show tables. I'm not able to after selecting the
Execute once. Okay, I'll send someone. Just a second. Avnish, एक सेकंड इनका भी देख लेना, ठीक है? He'll come, okay? Avnish, he will come in.
From Monday onwards, we are changing the system, right? So from Monday onwards, it's very nice guys on us.
You're leaving?
We are trying to. We are trying to.
Okay, I'll go that table and ask some more interview questions. मज़ा आ रहा है हमको तो इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन लेने में मज़ा आ रहा है सबको ठीक है हम तो लेंगे सबका इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन हैं हाँ जी
बर्नौली डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन का एग्जांपल पूछा था ना
हाँ
टॉसिंग अ कॉइन ये बोला था इसको
क्या
टॉसिंग अ कॉइन
कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं था ना कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं था मैं पूछा बाद में बाइनोमियल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन सोचने लग गया ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए इंटरव्यू में ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए ये तो समझा रहे तुमको बर्नौली में बोलते हैं टॉसिंग अ कॉइन में बाइनोमियल पूछा अच्छा वहाँ भी आ सकता है टॉसिंग अ कॉइन बट मल्टीपल टॉस करते हैं वो बोला था ना आंसर
बाद में बोला लेकिन पहले इसने बोला है
पहला इसने बोला है कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं है ना अब इंटरव्यू बोला आर यू श्योर तब बोलेगा आगे वाला सोचेगा द व्हाट इज बाइनोमियल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन यही तो होता है हैं समझेगी नहीं सर आपको क्या सीख मिला है क्या सीख मिला है सर आपको यू हैव टू बी कॉन्फिडेंट विद आंसर्स अगर गलत भी बोल रहे हैं तो हाँ समझे कि नहीं आप समझे कि नहीं सर आप तो यहाँ पे पूरा ये वो हमारा दोस्त करेक्ट बोला आपने गलत कैसा करवा दिया हैं
500 का सवाल है सर
क्या
500 का सवाल है
पैसा छोड़ो इंटरव्यू में सोचो तुमको कितना सैलरी मिलेगा हाँ अब तो पूरा लाइव ही आ रहा है पूरा लाइव आ रहा है सब लोग अब बोलो अब फिर से पूछोगे सर क्यों करेक्ट तो बोले थे वो लोग
करेक्ट था
ठीक है चलिए एक एग्जांपल बताइए एक और इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन पावर लॉ डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन का पावर लॉ डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन का एग्जांपल टेल सर पावर लॉ का डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन का एग्जांपल क्या बोली हाँ हाँ करिए आप लोग मेरा चैनल नहीं देखते हैं सवाल सारा वीडियोस बनाया है सारा एक बार देख लेते हैं अच्छा आपका फेवरेट स्पोर्ट्स क्या है बट एग्जाम्पल यू हैव टू टेल ही नोज द आंसर पहले इनको पूछ लेते हैं सर आपका फेवरेट स्पोर्ट्स क्या है क्रिकेट है ना क्रिकेट में पावर लॉ यूज होता है पता है आपको अच्छा एक आईपीएल मैच देखते हैं हार्डली 3 से 4 प्लेयर जिता देता है ना मैच कितना प्लेयर जिताता है हार्डली एक मैच में 3 से 4 प्लेयर तो मैं क्या बोल सकता हूँ कि 20% ऑफ द प्लेयर्स कैन विन 80% ऑफ द मैच so this is called as 80-20% rule आप भी आईटी कंपनी में काम करते हैं नहीं करते नहीं कर रहे हाँ मम्मी डैडी को भी लेके चल सकता है. 80% ऑफ द वर्क इज डन बाय मम्मी. है ना? समझ में आ रहा है सर? कॉन्फिडेंट रहिए सर, कॉन्फिडेंट रहिए. ओके, परफेक्ट. चलो इंटरव्यू टाइम. Shall I ask interview questions to you all? Okay, which topic do you want? Machine learning, stats, Python. कैसा इंटरव्यू? अच्छा Python पूछूं मैं? Python वही पढ़ा है. SQL, you want SQL? DL, deep learning पूछूं? Machine learning, हाँ? Sure, machine learning. First you decide. Stats, पक्का? Only your favorite it should not be. Everybody's favorite should be. हाँ? Python. सबसे इजी पाइथन में क्या पूछूं मैं तुमको? क्या बोलो, एक एग्जांपल बोलो. पाइथन में क्या पूछो? सर व्हाट इज ओवरलोडिंग, व्हाट इज ओवरराइटिंग, व्हाट इज डिस्ट्रक्टर, व्हाट इज कंस्ट्रक्टर. हैं? चलो ये छोड़ो, पाइथन जो है ना, विच इज द करंट वर्जन ऑफ पाइथन? 3.11. Who told 3.10? 3.10 गूगल कर लो यार एक बार. सर अभी करो, गूगल कर ले रहे हैं. हाँ? 3.11 is going to get announced. It has almost been announced, but it will be live in some days. ठीक है. Who is the founder of Python? Who is the founder of Golang? खत्म.
Google introduced it.
Huh? Google introduced it. You want machine learning? Huh? What is the difference between fit underscore transform and transform? Yes, no.
Fit and transform converts the categorical data into numerical.
कुछ भी मतलब कुछ भी. यही प्रॉब्लम है इंटरव्यू में. कुछ भी बोलो.
Fits the data, sir. Properly.
Not in min-max scale. We use very in every place. Like PC also we use. Unsupervised learning also we use. K-means also we use. Hierarchical mean also use. So what is the difference between fit underscore transform and transform?
Transform we use only for training data.
Huh?
Fit underscore transform we use for training data.
Okay.
And transform we use only for test data.
Only for test data. But what exactly it is doing? In PC it will calculate mean, median, mode. Then? Huh? Dimensionality reduction. Okay, that is the functionality of PC, I know that. But what is the exact purpose of fit underscore transform and transform? चाहिए ना machine learning. Oh, machine learning. See, machine learning.
No, actually, I've attended enough mock interviews. I've seen no video. You asked this question.
Yeah. I asked many questions. Tell me. Fit underscore transform and transform. Both are used for transforming the data from one dimension to two dimension or 100 dimension to 10 dimension or changing the data scale. It can be anything. In short, you are doing data transformation. Okay. Now fit underscore transform, what sir told, it is correct. We do only for training data. Test data. Why do we do that? Why do we do that only for the, why do we only transform for the test data, not for the training data? Data leakage. That basically means our model should have no information about the test data. So whatever technique we have applied in the training data, the same thing should get applied in the test data. समझ में आया? Clear? One more question. Stats. Tell me a very good example of power law distribution.
The 20% of the results will be dependent. Sorry, the 80% of the result will be totally dependent on 20% of the.
So 20% of the results will be dependent on the.
No, sir. 80% of the results will be dependent on 20% of the.
Okay. Tell some example, no then.
Take itself, I don't know, I neuron itself. There are many bunches of employees are there, but the main characters are like
Sorry, don't mind that, sir. In cricket, take example of cricket. Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma, and some bowlers are the 20%, and remaining bowlers 80%. The 20% team itself is the.
भाई इनका एग्जांपल क्या है पता है पावर लगा सी आई नीड ऑन देयर 100 एम्प्लॉइज लेट्स से only 20% of the employees will do the work 80% of the work okay it is right 80% of the win is actually by the 20% of the entire team right similar it works in IT industry also in a project 20% of the people may complete the percentage of work clear okay tell me the example of binomial distribution binomial distribution stats
Sir, there is an event. There are two outcomes. Like tossing.
then what is Bernoulli distribution huh what is this new term no
Bernoulli binomial.
ओ स्टैट्स आप ही स्टैट्स बोले थे ठीक है
For Bernoulli distribution, there will be two outcomes. If you take an event, there will be.
What about binomial then?
Binomial will be.
First time he told binomial was
No, sir.
two outcome.
Bernoulli is two. Like if you take Bernoulli, the outcome is always will be two. That is a binomial. Bernoulli, sorry. Binomial is.
Do this thing in the interview. They'll also say Bernoulli binomial. Huh?
Bernoulli is confirmed like tossing a coin, like either it will be head or tail.
Okay.
Number of turns, the head will come. That is called as Bernoulli. Like we use.
Okay, fine. Bernoulli is fine. Binomial. ये वाला तो सब मशीन लर्निंग में खत्म. No one will watch my video. So nicely I'll explain all these topics over there.
Sir, I watched it, but I forgot, sir.
बाइनोमियल में क्या होता है वही हेड टॉस करते हो ना मल्टीपल टाइम्स करते हो यू डू इट मेनी नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स n number of times like I'm tossing 10 times right what is p value
0.5.
Sir, p value, we have to calculate
p value is 0.5
1 minus alpha. That will be.
I'm saying in hypothesis testing what is p value
Sir, p value, we have to calculate p value, sir, because if we calculate the p value, then we can just.
I'm asking the definition
Sir, number of events occurring in 100. That is called as p value. The chances of an event occurring in, let's say, 100 is the probability basically. Probability value maybe.
okay fine okay I'll say partially correct okay still you're not able to explain it but it's fine okay what is the difference between significance value and confidence interval in stats what is the difference between p value and significance value tell me this
Sir, whatever is the p value, like if it's subtracted from 1, like total probability is 1 only. So whatever the p value is subtracted from 1, then that becomes the significance value.
1 minus the p value then what is confidence interval then
Confidence interval is like the surety that we give, like this in this interval.
okay tell me what is the relationship between confidence interval and significance value
So it will always be less than the significance value, the confidence interval.
if I say my confidence interval is 25% then what is significance value here it is greater than confidence interval no बहुत लोचा है भाई हैं बहुत लोचा है क्या रिवाइज करना है अभी है रात भर टाइम तुम्हारे पास हैकाथॉन भी पार्टिसिपेट करो ओके नेक्स्ट इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन शुड आई आस्क नो सेकंड ये तो सर आई मीन सेकंड ईयर हमको कर रहा ही नहीं है दिस टीम लुक्स एनर्जेटिक इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस या श्योर नो श्योर so What topic would you like? Stats, machine learning, deep learning, MySQL, MongoDB. What do you want? Machine learning, huh? Sure. Stats, sir. How many stats? Machine learning is good. Okay, so I'll ask you separately one question from stats, okay? First, let's start with machine learning, okay? So how you want the complexity? Below? You'll definitely get hired in music, why, you know? Because there is bonding period over there. Below basics only they'll ask that. Okay, just a second. Okay, so let's go with machine learning, okay? Someone tell me the difference between AI versus ML versus deep learning versus data science. Huh.
Mostly AI is the competition. Mostly, as you have explained, AI is the box.
As I have explained, you should explain your own terms. You'll say the interviewer like that only. On YouTube channel, Krish Nayak has explained like this.
So I can take it as a reference.
Ah.
AI is a box. In between that, ML is there. In between that, deep learning is there. And also overall part, the combination part is known as standardization. And mostly in ML, what we do, we train the machine to do the work which the work which human can do better. And
In deep learning also will train, no?
deep learning, sir, we try to mimic the human brain.
Aye. Mimicking the human brain is a term. In deep learning also will train, no? In machine learning also will train. So what is the exact difference? Neural networks. I can also create machine learning also I can create neural networks. You know that, no? There is some basic difference. Large data set, machine learning also it is possible. What is that large? How do you say large?
In deep learning, we can use image data set as well as text data set and all this.
No, in machine learning also you can use. You can convert the image into arrays and do it. No big deal. बोलो मेरे दोस्त लोग. People who are watching now, they are saying, ये तो मेरे को आता है. Right? Let them come over here. I'll show them मेरे को आता है. कोई नहीं सर, रिवाइज कर लीजिए रिवाइज. Okay, next question on machine learning, huh? Okay. Let me ask a very easy and confusing question. Okay, so that you will be able to think a little bit what exactly it is. What is the difference between fit and what is the difference between fit underscore 1? Have you heard this?
Underscore transform I heard, but underscore 1 I
नहीं है पक्का. फिट अंडरस्कोर 1 नहीं है या फिट अंडरस्कोर कुछ है एक बार. ओके, ठीक है, मैं याद करता हूँ. ठीक है, अच्छा ये बताओ, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन फिट एंड व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन फिट अंडरस्कोर प्रेडिक्ट. ये तो है. What is the difference between fit and what is the difference between fit underscore predict? हाँ, कर लो गूगल. कर लो टैब दबा के देख लो, शिफ्ट दबाओ. After training, it will predict training only.
No.
Huh? Testing. Fit underscore predict you will do in testing.
Predict is a separate function, sir.
No, I'm saying fit underscore predict.
Fit underscore predict actually.
हाँ, कर लो गूगल कर लो, सब मिलेगा.
Fit our model.
शर्म नहीं है तुमको, हैं? मेरे सामने ही, वो भी फोन में देख लेते, कुछ कर लेते.
सर जब तक सर गूगल देखता है सर हम सब पढ़ने.
अरे गूगल अभी फिट अंडरस्कोर प्रेडिक्ट क्या है? कहीं तो यूज किए होंगे, कहीं तो. के मींस क्लस्टरिंग कौन किया हुआ है? क्या है? याद नहीं आ रहा है.
reach out to our volunteers.
कर लो, गूगल कर लो, कर लो, देखते हैं आंसर मिलता है कि नहीं इसके बाद. फिट एंड प्रेडिक्ट. हाँ, वो मोबाइल में चेक कर रहा है. इंटरनेट स्टैट्स में भी आ रहा हूँ मैं. वेलकम टू स्टैट्स. बस. हाँ, ओके, सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन. स्टैट्स, एग्जाम्पल ऑफ लॉग नॉर्मल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. लॉग नॉर्मल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. लॉग नॉर्मल नहीं आता है. नॉर्मल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन
Right skewed data.
हाँ,
Right skewed distribution.
हाँ, राइट स्क्यू डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. से सम एग्जांपल्स. हाँ, e power x. I'm telling one example. Example means any distribution of data you take and tell it as an example. I'll give one example. Wealthy people throughout the world follows log normal distribution.
That example of Elon Musk in one particular city, his income will be more growth.
Yeah, so that is log normal distribution. What about other examples? No? Sir, stats. Okay, normal distribution, tell me example. Sir, how you will be able to clear the interviews? Huh? How? All basic things, no? Related to data?
Height of the people in a city.
Huh, that is normal distribution. Log normal.
Log normal.
I gave one example, no?
Yeah.
Salary of the people also follows log normal distribution.
Majority of the data or something being take an average or something. It is in one sequence or like
सर आप सोच लीजिए, उसके बाद बोलिए. ठीक है. ओके, वन मोर क्वेश्चन. हाँ, नहीं सर चाहिए. पहले हमको काम कर रहा है, बहुत डिस्टर्ब कर दिया आप हमको. तो बोले एक और पक्का. छोड़ो, और आते हैं थोड़ी देर बाद आते हैं. पूछिए, आंसर दे रहे हो जैसा तुम. पूछिए और देंगे ना आंसर. बाप रे बाप. है, मैं यूट्यूब में कमेंट्स देखे हो, कोई लोग बहुत लंबा कमेंट्स लिखता है, छोटा कमेंट्स लिखता है. तो मैं कमेंट का लेंथ ले लूं, ये लॉग नॉर्मल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन फॉलो करेगा? बहुत कम लोग होते हैं जो बहुत लंबा कमेंट्स लिखते हैं. तो इट बिकम्स राइट स्क्यूड ना. सर पढ़ना ऐसे ही चाहिए. यू हैव टू रिलेट इट विद अ रियल वर्ल्ड सिनेरियो. गॉट इट? शुड आई हैव वन मोर क्वेश्चन? ओके, चलो पार्टिसिपेट करो. इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस? यस, you are super confident. I think you will answer at least some. Okay, no one is able to answer till now.
SQL question.
Sorry?
SQL question.
SQL question. You want SQL question?
Basic.
Huh?
Basic SQL.
Basic SQL. Machine learning. Okay, and one more. Stats, deep learning. Deep learning. Sure. Pakka? Huh? Okay, what is, first I'll start with machine learning. What are the regularization techniques used in machine learning? Lasso, ridge, and only lasso and ridge. Only that much. Only that much. Only that much. Ridge lasso. Huh? That also okay. Only 3. There is one more last, no? In decision tree, what kind of... Okay, forget about loss function. Okay, in SVM, what do you use? SVM. Hinge loss.
Hinge loss.
Huh? भूल गए hinge loss. Regularization. How do you do regularization in decision tree? Length. काटो सर. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Pruning, right? Post pruning, pre pruning. है ना? What about random forest? Huh? Estimate? Grid search is the hyperparameter technique. So when I say about regularization, that basically means not only ridge or lasso, you have to also talk about hinge. You also talk about random forest, decision tree. There, how we do pruning. There also we are trying to do reduce the overfitting or increase, trying to come up with some good bias and variance, right? Right? So if I talk about in deep learning, what are the regularization parameter? What you'll say? Regularization technique. Deep learning, so you told. Huh? Early stopping is a regularization parameter. Huh? Method for what? Early stopping is to just understand when the loss is stable, you stop the training of the deep learning model. Loss और नीचे नहीं जाता सर, stagnant हो जाता है. For regularization, to avoid overfitting, what do? There is an amazing technique. Dropout. You forgot about dropout layers? बोले थे मैं आ रहा हूं अभी 3 बार बोले थे तो जोर से क्यों नहीं बोलते हो ऐसे बोलते सर ड्रॉप आउट उसके बाद मैं वहां भी देखा चेहरा हटा दोगे आ रहा हूं डीप लर्निंग है ना इंटरेस्ट आता हूं नहीं आता हूं रुको डीप लर्निंग इंटरेस्ट आता हूं ओके वन मोर क्वेश्चन पूछिए चलिए एक और क्वेश्चन पूछ लेते हैं स्टैट्स के रिलेटेड हो जाए ठीक है एक अच्छा वाला क्वेश्चन पूछे रिपीट नहीं होना चाहिए कुछ भी स्टैट्स में और क्या पूछे व्हाट इज बॉक्स कॉक्स ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन Box-Cox transformation. Box-Cox transformation. What is log normal distribution? Log normal. Sir, you teach, sir.
Actually,
how?
Log normal distribution will be like symmetric, but that log normal is like what we call log curve.
What is this like this? Cricket, huh?
Log curve is like this.
Okay, tell me whether it will be left skewed or right skewed. I'll come now. Next question भी आऊँगा मैं. नहीं, this one नहीं. मैं आगे उसले ये question पिछले पूछ रहा हूँ आगे और question पूछना है. Right skewed. How you can make that into normal distribution? By applying log to the base 10 or log to the base e, log to the base 2. Base? Huh? 10. E. 2. 10. Are you sure?
I think so.
Just try to see whether it is to a base 10 or base e. Ennada, sir. Check. Okay. Box-Cox transformation. So that is also kind of transformation technique to convert power law distribution to normal distribution.
Pareto distribution.
Box-Cox.
Oh, sorry. Power law is Pareto.
Pareto distribution to normal distribution we basically use. How do we check whether a data is normally distributed? Huh? Dish plot. Okay, I have this kind of curve, but how you will be confirmed that this is normal distribution? What you told? Histogram you'll be able to see the PDF. Huh? QQ plot. She's my student. She knows. Sir, dish plot. Sir, histogram. Confirmation कहाँ से मिलेगा? Okay. Perfect. More questions? हाँ, yes sir. Answer मत दो तुम, yes sir बोलो. कौन सा आता है? नॉर्मल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन आता है? लॉग नॉर्मल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन इतना सिंपल सवाल. ओके नहीं जा रहे. तुम भी आंसर करो, इधर बैठो. तुम्हारा भी होगा.
क्या आंसर करना है?
जाओ जाओ जाओ. ओके. What is percentiles? How do you define percentile? सिंपल है, बोलो. अभी उसके आगे और आएगा, बैकफायर होगा. सिंपल से स्टार्ट करते हैं हम. सर सब घुसा दिया आपने परसेंटेज में. सर मैं एक इंटरव्यूअर हूँ, मैं पूछूंगा व्हाट इज परसेंटाइल. सिंपल. Number of percent. If I say 25 percentile, then let's say 25 percentile is 8. What does this basically mean?
And your position among them is 8.
Confusion है ना? Suppose if I have a distribution, if I say 25 percentile is 8, that basically means तो ये जो 8 का वैल्यू है ना, वो 25% ऑफ द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, जो कंप्लीट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन देखेंगे ना हम लोग 25% से, उससे बड़ा ही होगा. उसके आगे 75% ऑफ द रिमेनिंग डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन विल बी बिगर. ठीक है, मजा आया? Okay.
Sir, and one thing, sir, how to remember the things like for longer?
Relate it with a real world scenario. Relate it with a real world scenario. You will be able to understand. Sir, interview. क्या नहीं करना है? करना है? करेंगे. सर आप? हाँ? लर्निंग में. सर आप लोग? हाँ? करेंगे. बहुत चैलेंज है. क्या बोले?
वैसे तो लर्निंग में लेकिन करेंगे.
ओके ठीक है. चलिए आपसे और कौन सा क्वेश्चन पूछे? बहुत सिंपल वाला पूछेंगे पहला. तो क्या अनाउंसमेंट कुछ चल रहा है लगता है. ओके. प्रोबेबिलिटी डेंसिटी फंक्शन वर्सेस प्रोबेबिलिटी मास फंक्शन, इन दोनों में डिफरेंस बताइए. For discrete variables, okay. Amazing. Congratulations. So probability mass function is for discrete variables, probability density function is for continuous variables. Perfect. Okay, let's go with the next question.
सिंपल एमएससी का कोई सर्च करना है हो जाएगा इससे.
Okay. What is the application of Z score? Z score. Z score.
First of all, it is used the standard scaler, and another application is used to detect outliers.
Outliers, Z-score?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yes.
Standardization.
Standardization.
Standardization. That you told, right? Standardization.
It can be used in hypothesis testing, like
Huh?
deciding whether to reject a null hypothesis.
That is not Z. That is G. That is Z test. That is used in inferential statistics. Z score basically two things I'll tell you. A specific value in a distribution, it tells how much standard deviation it is away from the mean. Right? Second thing that it helps us to do standardization. Why standardization are important? Because there will be many features which will be having different units, how it is measured, right? So for a machine learning algorithm, we should make sure that we bring down all the units in the similar way and send it so the training will happen faster. What is the difference between standardization and normalization?
Standardization is for the Z-score, and normalization is like a min-max scale.
But what is the difference? Why do we use that?
Yeah, in the normalization, the values will be capped between the range of 0 and 1.
In normalization?
Normalization.
It need not be. It can be between 1 to 2, 3 to 4 also. Okay, but in standardization, what you do, based on the distribution and based on the Z-score, it will be basically be distributed. But normalization, where it is used extensively. Min-max scalar, where it is used extensively. Do we use it in machine learning problem statement, or where do we use it?
Yeah, based on
Then outliers don't have much significance.
I think it's used for the best normalization is used in neural network, that kind of
CNN, convolution neural network, where images are present. Images values will be ranging between 0 to 255, right? So we try to do a min-max scalar to bring it to 0 to 1.
and also in the vanishing and exploding gradient. No?
Huh? Vanishing
and
gradient.
exploding gradient. This also-
Not necessary, because you do standardization before. Standardization before. Okay? Perfect? More questions you require? What is the difference between fit and fit underscore predict? It has happened in your class, no? I've only taught. Huh? Hey, what is the difference between fit underscore transform and transform?
Yeah.
Tell.
So fit transform, like if I am using for the training variable, I use a fit transform because I want to fit the data as well as transform. But for the testing variable, I only use the transform because there is no need of fit. I take the data from the training.
But why do we do this?
Because the main motto is to learn patterns from the trained data. So that's why we need.
What is that concept called as? Like he's saying, right? Only from our training data, only that information should be learned. The model should learn that information, not from the test data. So that thing is something called as data leakage. Have you heard of data leakage? Yeah? It's like you should not provide any information regarding the test data. Okay, what is the difference between then test, train and validation data then? Where does validation data come into picture?
Validation data comes into picture when we need to check whether how the model is performing.
Then what is test data for?
Test data is completely a brand new data that we are going to apply our model to make predictions.
Okay.
And validation data is used to cross-check our model's performance.
So how do we cross-check our model performance?
By comparing the accuracy.
But how do you improve your accuracy and all? Gritser CV. What do you use in Gritser CV? The most important topic is cross-validation or K-fold validation, whatever validation you are applying. With that, what it is happening? Hyperparameter tuning is happening. Right? Understood? Okay, tell me some examples of power law distribution. Box scores, but tell some examples. I'm saying example, real world examples. Power law, real world examples. Huh? Sales of ice cream.
Like if you plot
studied against the year, then we can see spikes in the summers.
Power law basically means 80-20 rule.
Yeah, it could be like this. So in summers we'll see.
One example I'll say, 80% of the work in an IT company is done by 20% of the people. 80% of the match, IPL match is won by 20% of the cricket players. 80% of the oil throughout the world exists in 20% of the land, right? So what is binomial distribution then? Example of binomial distribution.
0 and 1 are binomial.
Then what is Bernoulli?
It's also 1, 0 and 1.
Both are 0 and 1. भाई कल इंटरव्यू है. Bernoulli basically means zeros and ones, like tossing a coin. Binomial means combination of zeros and ones. We perform this experiment multiple times. Right?
Both are 0 and 1 only, but there is.
Yeah. Okay. Perfect. I hope you enjoyed. Yeah. Thank you. So guys, this was it from my side. It was an amazing quiz. I guess many people enjoyed it, and probably I'll be continuing after that, because after 1 hour I have some classes to attend to. So yes, this was it from my side. Thank you, one all. Bye bye. Take care.